Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the meeting and launching Whiteboard immediately. This avoids delays. Once the Whiteboard loads, make sure you grant editing rights to collaborators so they can contribute. If you need structure, pick a template or add a title and frames now. That sets expectations. You'll want to toggle laser pointer or pens before heavy work because it prevents accidental format changes. Finally, check participant names in the sharing pane so you know who can edit and who's viewing. Once done with basic setup, you focus on productive interaction. Choose pens and thickness for emphasis and switch colors to code roles or priorities. Use sticky notes for quick ideas and import images or documents to annotate. This keeps context. Make selections with the lasso tool to move clusters and use arrange to align items for clarity. If many people edit, enforce a quick etiquette, one speaker at a time, so contributions stay coherent and the board does. To finish, export the board and save it to OneDrive or post it to the meeting chat so everyone has a record. Make sure to switch editing to view only or lock critical frames once the session concludes, because that preserves the final layout. If something goes wrong, sync lag or missing edits, refresh the whiteboard, rejoin the meeting, and confirm OneDrive permissions. Those steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, ask participants to reopen the board in their own tab and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.